Louisville, Kentucky. As you see this Greyhound bus station, they're basically open 24 hours. They have a schedule for today here in Nashville, 1:35 p.m. Cincinnati, Ohio, and 7:05 Nashville, 7:40 p.m. Nashville, 7:40 Indianapolis, Chicago bus, 11:15 Sonora, Nashville, Chattanooga, Atlanta, as is scheduled, and also 1:30 a.m. they have a Nashville, Chattanooga, Marietta, Atlanta scheduled. Booking and rebooking information free app. Emergency call 214-777-6025 and Greyhound.com. Okay, this is Louisville, Kentucky. They have a vending machine right here, microwave, restroom. I just bought a package of plug into the wall, the charger right there. You can pay money with a credit card. They have a phone call, earplugs. They're selling here. And people folks are waiting here now. My phone charging there now. Bus here already, so they're trying to be a departure soon. Very nice day here, Louisville, Kentucky. I'm at the Greyhound bus station. Very nice day here. So I know my truck is a repair shop. They are fixing, so that takes about 3-4 days to fix. So I'm travel to Chicago, Illinois. Bus ticket here, Louisville, Kentucky to Chicago, Illinois. There's two options. Looks like $80, some $90, something like that, which is not bad. Sometimes the waiting time gonna be a little bit longer, depends on bus schedule going. So check your Greyhound.com. Greyhound.com is nice, but they cover 24-hour service. Also, they cover almost cover 50 states. So they say, not in Hawaii, but 48 states. I would say basically cover entire United States. You can travel anywhere, 24 hours. You can online buy tickets. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Friday weekend.